Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create the spreadsheet in SmartSheet using one of the templates. So if you log into SmartSheet, you will have dashboard that looks like this. Now here hit the option to create new spreadsheet. For this you can use this sheet option, or you can use browse template. So this is what I will use right now to create out of template. So click on that. Here you get plenty of options for templates, right? So on the top of that you also have option to create new, where you will create from blank, right? So let's say if I choose something in finance domain, and here let's say we have some budgeting or maybe taxation related that we can search as well. If we type in tax, it should show up some breakdown as well. So something like this, project tracking roll up or work breakdown, right? So here we can type in cash flow, that is also an option, or projection. So some of the keywords are not here, so I will just use the existing tax. So tax and auditing, here you have. And there is budget, forecast, accounting. So we go with accounting here, right? Expense tracking and reporting. So if I choose reporting, this is how the template should look like. It will load the realistic view, considering they let you copy it. You can also open this in new tab before using it as template. It may take a time depending on your connection. In my case I have this ad block, so it is loading a bit slow. Now here you can see this is the view for expense tracking, so it is breaking down based on the employee as well. So if you like your template like this, you can simply use template, and then it may even ask you to further change. And here you see on the left hand side your dashboard will look like this. It has 3 individual employee spreadsheets. So if you click on them, the individual view will open, right? And then there is a report option as well. So it will try and use all 3 inputs from 3 different employees, and it will show up in reporting. You can also show the dashboard for expense tracking, right? So these are some of the things that you can go with, right? Additionally, you can also click on create. You can add the view for sheet, grade, Gantt and card view. There is also report for row report, sheet summary report. Along with that, there is import option that you can use, and then dashboard option. So these are some of the things you can import through existing templates. So take a look at browse template option from SmartSheet.